Searching for a real Hostigner coupon code that actually works? This quick Hostinger review is for you. Hostinger is currently offering discounts across all of its plans, and when you use my referral link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll unlock an additional 20% referral discount automatically during sign-up. Hostinger keeps things simple and fast. You get strong performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, Lightspeed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, which lets you create a website quickly without technical hassle. And if prices aren't showing in your local currency, just tap the flag icon in the top right corner and choose your country. The pricing updates instantly. With its speed and ease of use, Hostinger is often considered one of the best web hosting choices right now. So, if you want to use the latest Hostinger coupon code and get the extra 20% off on all plans, tap the link below or scan the QR code. You'll land on the official Hostinger site, and the discount applies automatically.